How to log in into Paramount Plus account. First of all, open up any browser that you prefer and on the search URL type in paramountplus.com, then press enter in your keyboard. That's directly gonna take you into the official web page of Paramount. Now, in order to log in, from here scroll down a bit and first of all you have to enter your email address. So type in your email address right here. After that, click on submit. Now you have to perform this verification. So perform this verification methods. Here it says I have to click or select all the images with the cards right here. Once you're done, click on verify. Now once you have entered your email address and once you're verified, now you'll be able to log in into your account. Here it says we have to stay tuned for updates. Once you get the update back, then you will be able to log in into your account by providing your email address and your password. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.